Hello, my name is Bella Bell Pepper. Welcome to McDuffie County, where we are cooking up academics.
And I am Chantel Crockett, the principal of this wonderful elementary school where we serve 4th and 5th graders. We're so excited to be cooking up some stuffed bell peppers today. Our kids are in the kitchen waiting. And so come on, Bella, let's go.
Here we are getting ready to make some stuffed bell peppers. One of the health benefits of bell peppers are that they're rich in antioxidants, which are associated with better health protection against conditions like heart disease and cancer. For instance, peppers are especially rich in antioxidants, vitamin E, C, and beta carotene. So what do peppers do for your body? Peppers are also a good source of vitamin A, fiber, compounds, and the bell peppers may also help protect against inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Well, which colors of the bell peppers are the healthiest? Well, the red bell peppers pack the most nutrients because they have to be on the vine the longest. Bell peppers come in a range of color, including red, the sweetest, orange, yellow, and green. Green peppers are harvested early before they have a chance to turn yellow, orange, and then red. So basically, all the peppers are green until they're harvested. If they stay on the vine longer, then they just change colors. Are bell peppers good for your skin? Colorful bell peppers provide carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. It not only replenishes your skin, but also acts as a natural sunblock. Carotene also gives an orange pinkish tinge to your skin, what makes your skin glow from within.
So this is going to be like a review of what we've been learning, especially about different kinds of vegetables, okay? So does anybody remember the different parts of a plant? You know, like when we talk about like the life cycle, do y'all remember like what the plants have? Go ahead, what do you remember?
It starts as a seed.
It starts out as a seed, so we have the seed, and then remember it has the stem. Awesome. But then there's also another part called the fruit. So I know we've been talking about, look behind you, the bell peppers. Y'all see those bell peppers? So my question is, what part of that plant, what part of the plant is actually that bell pepper? Is it going to be the stem? Is it the stem? Is it going to be the root? Is it going to be the fruit part? Yes. Do y'all agree? So what part is it, guys? The fruit. That is exactly right. Well, I also want you guys to know that, I think you said it too, Brantley, like it goes through a life cycle, right? Your plants, they go through a life cycle. And you told me the first part. What's the very first part called?
Seed.
It's called the what? The seed. Then as it grows into a seed, the word is germinates. Can you say germinates?
Germinates.
Germinates, yeah. So guess what germinates mean to do? To sprout or to
grow.
To grow, that's right. And then we go through that life cycle. What is it called? Life cycle. So I want you guys to just continue to remember about those different parts of your plant. And as we get to cooking, we're actually going to be using a bell pepper. Have you guys ever eaten a bell pepper before? Yeah. Thumbs up or thumbs down? No? You have. How does it taste?
It tastes like a carrot, but it has 2 times the spice.
It has 2 times the spice. So can some bell peppers be spicy? We don't know. And that's what we're going to find out. Okay, boys and girls, y'all did a great job. Can y'all send me a high five? 1, 2, 3. Bam. Awesome.
I am so hungry and I cannot wait to eat my stuffed bell pepper, boys and girls.
Oh, me either.
But before we can eat our bell peppers, do you know what these are called?
Spoons.
These are measuring spoons, and guess what this is? These are measuring cups. And if you look on the side of your measuring cups, guess what you see? How many cups is that? 1 cup. If I move up, 2 cups. And do you know what that abbreviation means, that OZ?
Ounces.
Good
Ounces.
job.
Ounces.
It means ounces. So you get to use your cooking utensils. You can use this cup. You can use your measuring cups. And you can use your measuring spoons to help us out. So Miss Crockett, how much ground beef do we need?
Okay, so I think that we're gonna need 2.5 pounds of our ground beef mixture.
2.5 pounds, okay.
Yes. And Journey and I are going to actually use a scale to measure out 2.5 pounds, right? All right, Journey, let's go.
They're working on that ground beef, and we have some sauce. How much sauce do we need? 35 what? Not pounds. We need 35 ounces. So it says on here 32 ounces.
Okay.
Is that enough?
That's a half.
That's not
We
enough?
want to start with our
If
half.
this is 32 ounces, how many more
Go ahead
ounces
and put
do
our
we
half in
need?
there. Go ahead,
Oh,
because that's
good
perfect.
job.
You put that in there.
And we
Yeah.
need some rice. I
Yeah.
love rice. How much rice do we need?
And let's start back over. All right.
We need 4 cups of rice. Do you
All
want to
right.
use this little spoon to dump out 4 cups? No. What you think you're going to use? You're going to use a big, how much is that? That's 1 cup. So how many cups do you need to make 4 cups of rice? If that's 1, how many do you need? You need 4. I think you better get the scooping.
Okay, so Journey and I have made a discovery that if we put more than a half, we might make a mistake. So instead of doing 1 pound twice, Journey, we are going to do half a pound how many times? 5. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so throw that in. Woo. Yeah, that's yeah. Putting 1 pound on there, I think that was going to be a little too much, Bella.
And it's okay to regroup and go back. Isn't it, Miss Crockett?
Yes,
I bet you tell your kids that all the time.
I do.
Ooh, I smell it. It smells so good. I can't wait.
It does.
taste
Okay,
it.
so that's 4 and okay. What happens when I go over? I went over a little bit. When I'm cooking in the kitchen, I want to be perfect. And
We
that was
wanna be-
5. That was another half a pound. So this is going to be our 4th one, which means this would be exactly 2 pounds. So put that in, that's exactly 2 pounds. And so we still need a half a pound. So how many more scoops? 1, yes. Okay. I want the recipe to be perfect. So that's it, that's it. All right, so while I was doing my research, in the state of Georgia, we are in the top 3 states to actually produce bell pepper. The leading state is Florida. Second was California. And then Georgia, we are number 3.
Woo!
Yes, yes, yes. All right, so I think we got all of this. So we got the ground beef ready. And so
Miss-
Brantley,
Come
I
on, Miss
think
Donna.
you are going to pour in the sauce. So how much are you pouring in now?
32 ounces.
32 ounces, okay. Go ahead and
Let's
pour
put
that
it in
in.
here.
Yep, pour that in because that measuring cup measures only up to 32. So we gotta throw it all in there.
There you go.
Woo-hoo.
Get it all out. There we
All
go.
right.
I want it all.
So yes, get us a little bit more because we gotta go below the 4. All right, that looks pretty good, Brantley.
It does.
All right, let's see. What do you think, Brantley? What do you think, Aiden? We're good? Okay, all right. Put it all in there. Come on. You know how when you get home, you want to get the last drop? Shake that. Come on, Brantley.
Get it
Shake it down in
down.
there. Oh, yes. Yes.
job.
Oh, yes.
Good job.
You've been cooking before. Yes. All right. And so the next thing, Aiden, you're going to come in. And how much rice are you putting in?
4 cups.
4 cups of rice. Is that all the rice that we need? That's all the rice that we need. Okay, let's go. Pour it in.
Okay.
All right. And
Come on,
so, Miss Donna, if you'll just stir it up. Woo, that looks amazing.
I know it's rice, and I know in the meat mixture we have ground beef and we have some sausage, and I know we have these spices in it. We have some Italian seasoning in it that we measured out, and we have some garlic in it that we measured out, and everything calls for salt and pepper. So we put a little pinch of salt and pepper in it as well, plus the ingredients that Miss Crockett and her team just placed in here. Good. Oh, that looks absolutely delicious.
Yeah, and onions.
Oh, and some onions. Thank you. Did I hear somebody say I'm hungry?
Yes.
Well, you know
Yes.
what? It
Yes.
takes 25 minutes for these bell peppers to cook, and then we'll be ready to eat. Does that sound good?
Yes.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Miss Donna has already layered our pan that we're gonna actually bake our bell peppers in. She's layered it with sauce. So we have an opportunity to scoop our mixture into the bell pepper. Now listen, I'm just gonna tell you, this mixture looks and smells amazing. I am gonna probably put a whole lot of it in here because I really haven't ever had a bell pepper before. So I wanna make sure that I got a lot of mixture in. So, I don't think that it matters that we have the same amount. Just kind of put in the amount that you think you want. All right, let's go. Let's get your spoons. Fill up your bell pepper. Oh, yes. I told you, listen, I don't know about the bell pepper, but I certainly want to get the mixture. This rice, this ground beef, sausage look amazing. Once you have it stuffed, go ahead and then put it in. Yes, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, because we're done. Okay, there you go. We're done. Oh, yes. Okay, here, this one's mine, right here. I got a green one. Nolan, are you going to go beside me? Okay, all right, so look, yeah, you come on. Journey, if you'll step back and let Nolan finish stuffing his bell pepper. Journey, yours is the orange one, so there you, okay, look, you saw where Bella moved yours, okay?
Yum, yum.
Oh, yes.
How pretty. This is a pretty dish.
Yes.
I like all the colors.
Yes.
Had to do all that.
Now, I think I heard that the yellow, no.
You see what I'm putting
The
in?
red is the sweetest. Okay. All right. So red is the sweetest because it's the ripest. It actually stays on the vine the longest. What color is picked first?
Green.
Green is picked first, and so it's probably a little more tart or bitter maybe. The skin is a little tougher. Nevertheless, once they're cooked, I think we're gonna all be satisfied.
I think so.
Yes.
That tastes good.
And what type of cheese is this that you're putting on?
This is Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan cheese.
Yes.
It's good.
Do you know what else you put Parmesan cheese on?
What?
Spaghetti.
Pizza.
Pizza.
Yes.
We can definitely do more, boys and girls, because you did.
I want the whole thing.
You did. Oh, you did a great job. Now, we have to be careful when we're in the kitchen. Do not do kitchen things without an adult.
That's
And we're
right.
getting ready to take this to the oven. And we're going to ask Miss Donna, who is over this kitchen, to place our bell peppers in the oven.
And how long do we have to wait?
25 minutes.
What? 25 minutes. Hurry.
I'm hungry.
Yes.
How much ground beef? Oh, some cooking safety rules I need to follow.